What you need to be for Halloween if you have red hair, part 8. How are you doing? How are ya? Hello. I'm so glad you joined this video because this is our last and final Halloween costume from the Halloween for Redheads series I've been doing on this channel. Thank you guys so much for supporting this and watching these videos. And today is no other than the iconic Ariel from the Little Mermaid. She is so beautiful and we all love Disney princesses, and I've loved Disney princesses since I was a little girl, and so since I finally have red hair, today is the day that we transform ourselves into a freaking mermaid Ariel Halloween extravaganza. So we're gonna jump straight in. I'm gonna begin by concealing underneath my eyes and putting some concealer over my blemishes. My makeup for Ariel is going to be super, like, I don't know, I guess like cartoony, in the sense like a super pale, smooth, almost like not real face. What do you hear, the laundry machine? All right, well, after that concert. So yeah, her face is I'm gonna try to do a really smooth foundation, you know, matte looking face, big lashes, some pink lips. Or actually, I might do red lipstick actually to match the hair. I'm gonna put in some extensions. So like, just like fun. With Ariel, you could do some really pretty purple eyeshadow if you wanted, some green. You really can have fun with it because, I mean, it doesn't really matter. It's all about self-expression, these costumes, and that's why they're so fun. So I'm just gonna blend this out and then we'll do some powder foundation. You know, I've been loving this product for all of my Halloween costumes. It's the e.l.f. Camo Powder Foundation. I'm gonna take it actually with a big fluffy brush this time and just begin putting it all over my skin just to make everything super smooth. It's because I was putting it down my neck, and almost, like we said, kind of cartoonish, kind of flat, just like perfect skin like Ariel the princess obviously has. Start putting some blush on. We're just gonna jump straight in because now my face is super matte, and I have these eyeshadow colors that are actually pretty pink, if you can see that, and I think I am gonna use those as blush today because even though I might do red lips, Ariel just screams blush cheeks to me. So I'm gonna take a fluffy brush and begin putting that on my cheeks. We've got that blush now on, and I actually ended up taking a little bit of this really light lavender shade from a palette I have and putting that on my cheeks too, kind of to like create like a really like pinky blush, but kind of has a tiny bit of lavender in it. And then I'm taking that brush with that lavender and like just brushing some over my eyelids just to give them a little bit of color, but nothing too crazy. Because we're mostly going to put on some really big lashes. You can kind of see it start just to give it some color, make it like kind of cohesive and fun that way. And making sure you're like putting some on your temples is fun, and just kind of really have some fun with it. Okay, and then now I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to fill in my eyebrows. So I have them kind of stuck up from a costume I did earlier today. So you'll see they're kind of like a fluffy brow, but I'm going to fill them in with like kind of an orangey, warmer red shade from my palette that I've been using a lot. This is the Morphe Happy Hour palette, and just kind of create some like Ariel eyebrows. You can do these however really you want, but they just need to be a little bit more vibrant, so I'm going to do that. So here they are, kind of orange, kind of red, but definitely will vibe more with an Ariel costume because her hair is red. My hair is not, but hers is. I think now I'm gonna take a tiny bit of bronzer and just carve my cheeks a tad, just to give it a bit more shape to my face, and it will warm it up a little bit too. This is optional, but just something that I prefer. Just add a little bit to my temples as well. And we are going to continue on to lashes. I'm going to be using these Bellamy lashes. I've used them the other day and they are Saintly. That is the design name for them. I have a code with Bellamy if you want some money off. Before I put those on, I'm actually going to take like a little pencil eyeliner and just slightly line my upper lash line just to help those lashes blend in. Lashes are on, and I'm gonna take this little palette, this pink palette, and actually take this shimmery pink shade and begin putting that on my cheeks for some extra glitter. Do you see that? Oh my gosh, it's so cute. Put some on my nose. Just be like a glittery unicorn mermaid, basically. This is such a pretty shade. I need to figure out how to wear this like more in life. I'm just gonna play with this and put this like all around my face. Time for some red lips. So I'm just gonna apply this red lipstick and then we're gonna do our hair and then costume. Okay, makeup is done and complete. This is just kind of what I decided to do, but again, you could play around with this as much as you like. I'm gonna take some clip-in hair extensions. These are Spiced Crimson by Bellamy. They're a little bit more vibrant than my hair, but I kind of want that because Ariel's hair is red. So if you've watched my videos, you know that I like to use usually 2 clips. What I mean by that is the 2 clipped extensions, and then I use the 3 clip. So I'll do 2 of these back to back on the bottom, and then I'll do 2 of the 3 clips back to back, and that's usually enough hair for me. I'm just going to begin installing those, and then we're going to wave them a little bit, and yeah. Okay, so now we've got our extensions and we are going to wave some of them, but I'm first and foremost going to part my hair slightly to the side to almost like create like this intense side bang. I feel like all the Ariel photos, she's got like a really intense side bang. I like the old school, you know, the cartoon that we got going on. Like I kind of want to have like a side bang that looks like that, I think, with the waved hair. Kind of like that, and then we wave everything else, I think. Okay, so my hair already has some waves to it, but these extensions I need to wave a bit more. So I'm just going to use my Bellamy Deep Waver and begin waving these a bit. They have a little bit of leftover wave from a style I did the other day, but they just need some more. So I'm going to wave this all up. You could do like a very clean mermaid wave where everything is like super uniform. Mine's gonna be a bit messier, but it's just because that's how I am. But yeah, it's just waving the extensions and then it will be a costume time. Okay, so this is what we got going on right now. This is the finished hair, makeup, everything. So we're gonna get right into the costume. It's actually so cute. I'm not gonna show you it, you're just gonna have to wait. Little Mermaid. Here is the skirt. It's so cute. And then the little sequin top that goes with it. I'm gonna include some photos because this outfit is hard to show completely on camera, but it's really, really cute. It's a great Little Mermaid costume. It's linked on my Amazon, but I'll show you again. It's super cute. I highly recommend if you want to do Little Mermaid. These pieces are fun. They look like they come together, like because they're both sequin, but I actually bought them separately. So it's a great little piece together. But I hope you guys enjoyed this Ariel transformation, Little Mermaid. This was the final video of all of our Halloween costumes. We did it. We got them done. I'm so happy to have shared so many different costume ideas with you. It was so fun and so creative. So I will see you guys in my next video. We're gonna be back to some normal content, no more Halloween costumes, but I love you guys. Make sure you subscribe and like this video, and I will catch up with you guys soon. Bye.